Yes, I'm having issue here in my shed. Let's make 2 steps back and show the shed. This is my shed. I finished it 5 years ago. Everything nice. I don't know why happened with that. Maybe quality of the wood or was some leak. I found rotten wood there. Come up, and now I will try to fix it step by step. What I will use, I don't know yet, but first what I'm doing, I'm cleaning rotten wood. Yes, it's a problem here. On the top, quality of the wood is perfectly good, but in the bottom, it's not just door frame, and also studs behind. I cannot find where the possible leak can happen, because it's isolate everything very fine here. Very fine. It's nothing in even board. Board is very good quality too. I don't know what happened with that, but I need to replace this part. Yes, I did clean everything from here, all this rotten wood and everything. Okay, and I painted, and wood to pressure treated wood I install here, and I will work now to how to say recreate this part of frame. Okay, it took for me some time. I don't know what happened. I think maybe from the top, I think maybe from here, but I have no idea how. Maybe from here water was coming somehow down or whatever, because it's from inside. I didn't see anything wrong from inside. Like here from inside is everything in perfectly good condition. It's just this part of was and this part just was how to say compromise and became maybe something coming from here too, but it's still alive. I will do not touch it. And maybe it would be better idea to recreate all frame around, but don't need it now. Like 7 years old shed and perfectly good. And why this part was actually, I have no idea. So I did cut a piece, but this one is for cedar, which is having the greatest resistance for the to be rotten and can stay 100 years and be still good. And I will use this piece now. Here, install this way here to cover this hole. So it's much better to use a foam, but I don't have one, and I used a silicone. Just I had silicone and I pumped silicone around. Well, I think silicone is good enough too. Okay, and now I found, because thickness a bit different, and I found with the same thickness it's a cement board, which I used earlier to install ceramic floor, ceramic tile on the floor, and now it's water resistance. It's not gonna go be damaged with water. Okay, and in the end I'll put in this part here. Probably I need to use a hammer. Yeah, as you see, and after I will use sealer, you see, nice and sweet. Okay, and we almost finish with this damage patch. And I will put sealer around here, put sealer here and put sealer here. It's going to be just fine, or very fine. Or maybe I'll put PL glue. Make it, okay, it's perfectly good now. Now I have to find this part. We'll cut this part and make it almost like original. Yes, I cut this piece from cedar. Okay, but it's a little bit, thickness is not the same, and I will use a planer to make it a little bit the same, I mean. Yes, I restore everything, and I used cedar wood. Okay, I put two pieces, use PL glue here, and I will do sealer around, and we'll put, I don't know, maybe something, maybe PL glue too here, and sand it over and paint in white color, and going to be like a new. Nobody will see the difference. Yeah, and I have no idea why it's became rotten. I investigate everything everywhere. Here it's no leak, and I just don't understand where this water came from. Clean, nice outside, and I think it's probably the material. The material wasn't good. cheap one for the door frame. Yeah, here is the sander, and I would like to sand this part to make it more smooth. And I put a painting tape here to protect this rubber weather strip. Much nicer now. Okay, I think I finished. I think I finished it now. Yes, and now I painted everything. It's, you see how it's after that I cutted grass, you know how it is look like now. It's painted and fixed everything, and you cannot see technically differences. If you let me close the door and show from other side, you see how it's here. Yep, and door is completely fixed, and I don't know what happened from the beginning, but it was look ugly. Suddenly it became rotten and with a hole in the middle. I think quality of the wood was so bad. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye now.